In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your TikTok video. If you've been posting and want to reach more people, this walkthrough will guide you through the built-in Promote feature inside the TikTok app, step by step, in a clear and simple way. Start by opening your TikTok account and making sure you're logged in. It helps to have a strong, public video ready, ideally something short, engaging, and aligned with the audience you want to reach. If you don't see promotion options later on, updating the app or checking that your video is public can resolve most issues. Next, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From your profile, you'll find the Promote option. Depending on your device and app version, it may appear on the video itself or within the menu labeled Promote Post. Tap that to begin. You'll be asked to choose your goal. TikTok gives you a few: boost your account, get sales, or get leads. Since we're focusing on driving attention to a specific video, choose the option for more video views. This tells TikTok to optimize delivery so more people watch your chosen content, which is perfect if you're trying to build momentum on a new post or revive a strong performer. Now select the video you want to promote. Pick the clip that best represents your message: clear visuals, a strong hook in the first few seconds, and a caption that supports your goal. If you have multiple options, think about which one has already shown promise in organic views. That can be a good indicator. After you choose the video, you'll see promotion packs. These are preset combinations of budget and duration. Each pack typically shows an estimated reach based on your selection, so use that estimate to match your expectations and resources. A slightly longer duration can help the algorithm learn and find the right viewers, while a focused budget keeps spending in check. Make sure the currency and region settings look right for you. Once you've selected a promotion pack, tap Pay and follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to confirm payment details and accept terms. After you submit, TikTok usually reviews the promotion to ensure it follows community and advertising guidelines. This review is normal and often completes quickly. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to your profile, tapped Promote Post, chosen more video views, selected your video, picked a promotion pack, and completed payment. Let the promotion run and give it time to deliver results. Thanks for watching, and good luck promoting your TikTok video.